Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have JBL Wave Beam wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case these earbuds are not working for some reason, like they're not connecting to your phone or they're not pairing with Bluetooth, or the left earbud is not working or the right earbud is not working, so you're only getting sound out of one of those ears. A factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. If it doesn't, or you decide you just want to get a new set of earbuds, I'll put a link in the description to a reliable pair. The other reason you might want to do this reset is just for whatever reason where you want to delete all the pairing history so that you can go ahead and set these up like they're a new set of earbuds coming out of the box. It's real easy to do. We just need to remove them from the case and they should turn on, so they need to be on when we do this, and just have them on and right next to each other. And with them on and right next to each other, on the right earbud we're just going to tap it 3 times, but on the 3rd time we're going to hold it. So it's going to look like this: tap, 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 hold, and hold for 5 seconds. And after 5 seconds you'll see it will reset. They'll both reset, and they'll reset actually into their factory defaults. At that point you can go ahead and set these earbuds up like they're brand new.